Christmas into Carnival, Cup style. I'm Joel Villafano. So Christmas into Carnival moves at a pace, and kind of that's what we've been doing as we transition from the Christmas holidays straight into the ram and jam that is our sweet Carnival. So as I said, my food changes with the Carnival season, and I just literally bounced up looking for different things, and I saw Blue Ribbon's chicken luncheon meat. So I got intrigued. And I thought, let me see what I can do with this. I always think of my bachelor buddies. I remember when I moved out of my parents' home, I had to survive, and that was before Marla came into my life and started to cook all this wonderful food. I had to survive, and I wish I knew about this luncheon meat from Blue Ribbon back in those days. It's chicken flavored, and all you kind of need to do is, I'm going to show you a very simple way to kind of just give it take it to the next level kind of thing. I just want to give some very even slices. I would say about it's a little less than an inch, and you kind of just slice it. So it's almost sausage-like. See? It's kind of cool, eh? You could kind of just save this just like that, but I want to get some more hot here, and I'm going to show you how we can kind of take it up a notch. Simple breading station ready. So I have an egg that I just want to do a quick, let's beat up this one egg. And this Christmas into Carnival. So as the new year comes in, and you have to sort of think about, what it can work for as well? Think of your dream. Fete. Next morning, breakfast, real simple. You take out some luncheon meat, buy Blue Ribbon, lay it out. Season a little bit of flour, a little salt, a little pepper. That extra flavor. I have some chili powder. Some chili powder if you like a little kick, a little spice, and your favorite all-purpose seasoning. Yeah? And you want to mix that in together. Get that flour mixture all seasoned. So, I'm going into my egg, coat properly, and then into my flour mixture. So what I want to do is actually do the process twice so I get a nice coating. So from the flour mixture, I go back into my eggs and coat again. And I coat again back in my flour for another nice coating. Once I get that coated nicely, into my hot oil. Same process, coat egg, into flour mixture, and repeat. Minutes on either side. See when it gets nice and toasty and crispy like that. Yeah, that's what you want. Couple more minutes on that side, and then we're ready to plate up. Couple minutes on either side, guys, and I just want to drain just another little tissue just to make sure any excess oil is off. And I'm ready to plate this guy up. So let me just get this out of the way. I have a fancy plate. I want to make this. This is bachelor breakfast, carnival food, but it don't mean it can't plate up nicely. Yeah, I like a pretty plate. So what I want to do is kind of just take each one. So that looks cool. You need that just like as is. But I have just a sunny side up egg where I just want to place very gently on top of it. I wish I had known about this when I was a bachelor. Blue ribbon luncheon meat, just like that. Your breakfast, hangover, no problem. Blue ribbon luncheon meat, got you covered. Guys, try the recipe. Go and pick up your blue ribbon luncheon meat and enjoy. Christmas into Carnival, right here on Cup of Joe. We come